Hi everybody, in this video we are going to find the z-score given the shaded region for a standard normal distribution using Excel. Our first problem gives us a shaded region of 0.89065. I want you to notice two things. We're finding a z-score because this is a standard normal distribution, mean of 0, standard deviation of 1, and we are going for the area to the left. In Excel, we're going to type equal. Instead of doing the norm.s, we are going to start typing norm, and now we're looking for the inverse distribution. We're going backwards because we're finding z given a. So I want you to go down to this norm.s.inv for inverse. We'll put in the error we were given, 0.89065, close parenthesis, push enter. This says our z-score is 1.22999. Let's call that 1.23. If you want to check, you could go to the next line, type equal, and start typing norm, and let's go to .s.dist and say we want to know the area for 1.23, and we need to say true to say cumulative, and it says it's 0.89065, which is what we put in as our area. So there's a nice check. In our next example, our area is 0.01578, and notice this time it's to the right. So we're still looking for the z-score, but it's really important that we pay attention to whether the shading is the right or the left. When we're doing the inverse, it's always going to give us what's on the left. So what's on the left is just 1 minus 0.01578 because we know everything adds up to 1. But the good news is whatever z-score goes to the 0.01578 to the right is the same z-score that goes to 1 minus 0.01578 on the left. So let's look at that in Excel. So I'm going to type equals, and I start typing my norm. Remember, we're looking for .s.inv. And this time, because we were given the right value, we're going to type 1 minus the area we were given, 0.01578. So we need to put in the 1 minus anytime we're looking for area on the right. When we push enter, it says 2.1499. We're going to call that 2.15. Again, let's check it. Let's type equals. Let's start typing norm. Let's grab .s.dist. Let's type in 2.15 and true to say we want cumulative, and it gives us 0.984222. Well, that would be to the left. So let's put in to the right by going to the beginning and saying 1 minus this area, which gives us our 0.015777. That's our 0.01578 that we started with in our problem.